If you've always been dreaming of having a wallet like this one, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to make this your wallet, even though Solana just dropped a lot. Yo, if I go on MemeScope and I go on a random ass coin, yo, look at this coin, bro. It got rugged. It got absolutely rug pulled. Okay, this one. Oh my god, bro, this coin got absolutely rug pulled. The creators of these coins are making so much money. We have to be on their side if we want to make some money too. We have to stop trading meme coins and we have to start creating them. Yup, that's right. The truth is that the people who are creating these meme coins and launching them are the people who are actually making the most money. The difference between you and me is that I am creating these coins and you are just trading them. So in fairness, you are just making the creators rich, so you're making me rich. You're just causing yourself some stress and it's not stable income, right? But by creating these coins, okay, first of all, you have nothing to lose. It's free money and you can launch coins easily. And because of that, now I can double or triple my investment within seconds and minutes. And the best part, you can do it over and over again. That's exactly how I've been stacking cash at lightning speed. And that's exactly why into this video I'm going to give you a straight, easy, reliable method. A lot of people have been using these last couple of weeks to make a shit ton of money off launching coins. But of course, this is all for educational purposes only, to show you how it works. Do not copy me, okay? If you're rich, just click off the video, but if you're poor and you want to make a shit ton of money, listen up. Now, the first step is to actually launch your coin, and for the past couple of weeks I've been using this website called token.Fun. Obviously, I am not affiliated and I do not gain anything from this website, so yeah. So as you can see here, you can create your coin on the Rhythm Dex with no coding required, and you can create the coin extremely fast. And if y'all don't know, launching coins on the Rhythm Dex will get you way more buyers than launching coins on the Pump.Fun Dex, and I can even prove that to y'all. So if I come to my Photon and I go on trending and I go on the Pump.Fun Dex, just look at their market caps, 14k, 4k, 20k, 6k, and 4k. And if I compare that to the Rhythm Dex, just look at the market caps. They are absolutely insane. 100,000, 200,000, 8 million, 600,000, 70,000, 60,000, 1 million. Okay? And as you can see here, I have no filters. This is completely raw proof, okay? So you have to be launching coins on launchtoken.Fun if you want to maximize your profits. Now you can create your coin here by waiting for an Elon Musk or Trump tweet, but if you are lazy like me and you want to make coins with no marketing required, okay, you can actually come to the copy trending coins feature right here and you can duplicate any coin here. By duplicating these coins, you're putting all the odds on your side to make some money, because all of these coins are all trending and pumping at the moment. So you can duplicate these coins and make some guaranteed money. And also, you can scan the new tokens and look for banger coins, but I like to just duplicate these coins and make some guaranteed money. So I'm going to duplicate the King of the Hill right here. So create coin. After that, enter your phantom and a warning will pop up, but this is completely normal. Just ignore and proceed. Confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin will be created shortly. Now here you want to copy a token address and click on create liquidity pool. Oh whoops, I just tapped out by accident, but you can simply just come back to manage liquidity. You want to select your coin right here, right? Here select your Solana balance. Here click on max because you want to give away 1 billion coins in liquidity, and the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Now you're not losing this money since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin, so you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I like to put 0.5 because that is what I'm comfortable with, and you're not losing this money. You are the first buyer inside your coin, so you have nothing to lose. And then you can click on create pool and then confirm, then click on refresh. Okay, it popped up. Now click on view on Photon, and now your coin is live. Okay, it's already pumping a lot at the moment. Let's go. Now as you can see here, you can see your profits right here. If you want to make it easier, So I'm already 0.1 Solana in profit within 1 second. So just wait for more buyers to come in. Oh crap, the coin is tanking a bit. Okay, there's a dip. Okay, now it's pumping up. Now it's pumping up. Okay, now that's what I like to see. Now it's pumping. So now if I come to my profits and I refresh, okay, as you can see, we're up 80% in profit, $50. Now, bro, imagine you wait like an hour. Bro, this shit could be like $1,000 or even like $10,000. You could change your life within a couple minutes. Like, this is actually insane. Now, this coin is a bit slow at the moment. This isn't normal. I'm gonna wait longer for more buyers. Okay, it's selling a bit. Come on. Let's go, it's pumping. Okay, now it's pumping. Okay, now that's what I like to see. Now it's pumping. Let's go. Okay, if I come back here and I refresh. Okay, now we're up so much money. The coin is now gaining traction. Let's fucking go. Oh my god. Okay, the coin is ripping. We're almost at the $1,000 market cap. Okay, now. No, it's selling off a bit. Fuck. Shit. Okay, now it might be a good time to remove the liquidity. So come back to launchtoken.Fun. Click on the minus button. Do 100%. Remove the liquidity. Come on. Confirm. Refresh. Oh, no. I just removed the liquidity. Whoops. My bad. Let's fucking go. Now, oh my god. Okay. This coin was a bit slow. Usually I make anywhere from $1,000 to like $5,000 off each duplication. Now you can make way more money if you get more lucky. Bro, you can make so much money. Okay. Now if I open my Phantom wallet, $400 is in my wallet. I think I started with $180, so I basically made a quick $200 to $300 off this coin, which is absolutely insane. I'm grateful, you know. You can make so much money. Please join my Telegram down below. It's free. You can DM me there. Like, comment, subscribe. I respond to everybody in the comments and in my DMs. And yeah, bro, bye.